It's day 3 on the Disney Fantasy, and today we are at Lookout Cay at Lighthouse Point. I think I said that right. I may have just had chocolate on my lip. I was eating a chocolate donut. We got donuts delivered to the room and coffee. I enjoyed the donut. I think it was good. The coffee was pretty good. I'm not a huge coffee drinker, coffee fan, so it's just kind of to me, but it was fine. I drank it. I used this new e.l.f. Halo Glow sunscreen this morning. I look like I'm a little shiny, but in a good way, like glow. Shiny. Yes, my least favorite Disney song of all time. Sorry, that was harsh. But anyway, I thought it was a good thing to wear on a beach day where you want to look a little more natural. You don't need a full face of makeup, you know? And if it comes off, it comes off. It's supposed to be water resistant, so we'll see. We'll give it a test. We are bringing our snorkels so that we can go snorkeling.
Here we go. Brush your hair with the dingle hopper.
Yeah, that's why I started.
Dingle hopper.
New Odell hair dye styler. Oh, my hair's not gonna get wet, but let's try it. What happened? You have to wait till it dries to know. The flies are a little nutso.
A little nutso right now.
But the food looks good.
My cookie's all wet. My cookie is all wet. So fast. Do you know what to do?
We're looking for the next show. But the sun is out, so that's good.
done on the island for the day, making the walk back to the fantasies.
Awesome! Everyone put your fists together for Amy and Darren. Aren't so well acquainted yet, but if you just give them a chance, you know, get to know them, ask them their names, they're pretty chill.
We came back from dinner and we found this bunny made out of our towels and blanket. He has quite the booty. Look at it. And they also gave us little chocolates for Easter. Today is Easter, so they gave us special chocolates.